Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back in the car today because I've got food to try and I'm very excited. So I just popped in to Richoux Patisserie in Ellerslie, and this place, I asked on my Instagram story, I tried a vegan pie from the gas station. It was really not that nice, and I asked on my Instagram story where the best place to get vegan pies was. No, I'm not vegan, but I just was very interested to try, and they said here, but then I went in and there's awards all over the wall, so I thought we have to try lots of them. And I was more organized today. I brought spare napkins, and I even brought a chopping board so I can cut them all in half and try them in the car. Is this going to be a disaster? Potentially, but oh well, we live for fun. I'm so buzzing. I don't know where to start. So I went for a classic mince and cheese. Then, oh, this is the vegan. So I got a vegan. They actually had like 6 vegan pies. One was a vegan mince and cheese, which would be interesting to try to compare it. But I decided to go for vegan mac and cheese. I thought that would be. And the pastry looks really good. Oh, look at that. That's vegan. Should we just try this one first? I'm actually buzzing about this one. Right, I'm gonna cut them all in half. How to not make a mess in the car? I don't know. Oh, this is gonna be delicious, but really, really messy. Okay, this is gonna be dangerous, but I'm gonna show you up here. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Vegan mac and cheese. I thought this would be a good test because if you're gonna go for a vegan alternative, like you wanna see if it's gonna taste good. And for the cheese, I'm interested about the vegan cheese. I don't think I've actually really ever tried vegan cheese before. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck it in. Whoa. Oh my gosh. The pastry is really, really delicious. It's not as cheesy as I'd hope. Like, you know, if you want like a cheesy mac and cheese, like you want it to be like stringy cheese, lots of parmesan, mozzarella, but the pastry is delicious. Pastry, phenomenal for a vegan pastry. Filling, I think I'd prefer regular mac and cheese, I'll be honest. But yeah, if I was vegan, I'd be stoked. I'm not though, so let's move on to the meaty things. I feel like they were pretty reasonably priced as well, which is good. Okay, next, this was a caramelized pork pie. Oh yeah, now this is real. Oh, that's so flaky. Look at that. It's actually really nice in the sun there. Ah. Okay, cut it open. Oh, whoa. Look at that. I feel like it's pork belly. It didn't say pork belly, it just said caramelized pork, but I think it's pork belly. Yum. Oh my god, yum. Oh, that is really good. It's got some Chinese 5 spice in there. That's flippin' delicious, but it's also gravy. Yum. Can you see that? Oh, it's like really soft and delicious. Oh, yum, hang on. Yes, to that one. I love Chinese 5 spice. Like, I love that flavor. But that's really, really yum. Oh no. Oh no. I can't put it back in the bag because it's all over the top of the bag now. Okay, next, mince and cheese. You can't go to a New Zealand pie bakery and not buy a mince and cheese. It's the classic. And I'm pumped for the, also this is the one that won awards. This was like, it said like gourmet. This is a winner. This has won loads of pie awards. Honestly, the pastry is like literally flaking into my fingers on the top. Beautiful pastry. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Oh yeah, look, that is a good chunk of cheese on the top. Oh, it's kind of like runny cheese. I wonder if it's like, I wonder what kind of cheese it is. Maybe like cheese sauce almost. Right, here we go. Oh, that's really yum. It is. It's like a cheese. It's like a bechamel cheesy sauce on the top, which is actually really lovely. The mince, lovely. Pastry, top notch. Yum. Oh, I really like that. I'm getting really hot in the car now. It's because it's boiling hot. That's delicious. It's perfectly cooked. The pastry is perfectly cooked. It's lovely and flaky on the top. I can see how that won awards. Oh my God, it's falling out. I love Coke. The last pie, I went for a smoked fish pie. I love a smoked fish pie when it's done right. I feel like you can either have a really good one or like a not so good. I don't want it to be fishy, I want it to be really smoky. And I don't like when they put shellfish in it. Like, that's a seafood chowder pie. If I'm having smoked fish pie, I just want smoked fish, yummy sauce. So let's hope it's like that. It's actually risky leaving this to the end just in case I don't like it. But I feel like, given what we've already had, ooh, it's gonna be good. Okay, look at this one. This one's extra flaky. Oh, yeah. Ah, this is the best day ever. Also, it's Friday, and I feel like Friday is a good day for pie day. Okay, good. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, wow, that does look really good. Also, really risky eating smoked fish pie in the car, especially if I drop it everywhere and I have a fishy car forever. It does smell quite fishy, but it does smell smoky. I wonder what smoked fish it is. Probably kawai? Yeah, but let's try. I feel like I just blew a sea of flaky crumbs everywhere. I don't know if I like the poppy seeds on the top, you know. Oh, I blew it again. I'm not big on like little textures like poppy seeds on the top. I don't know why, but it makes me feel like, think of grittiness. Okay, let me get more filling. I don't know about this one. I feel like this is the thing with smoked fish pie. I'm quite a fussy smoked fish galley. This one's got too much, what's it called, like white sauce in it. I feel like I want chunks of smoked fish, not just like creamy sauce with like fish flavour. I actually wouldn't buy the smoked fish pie again. It's just not my cup of tea for smoked fish pie. But the others, mince and cheese, oh my gosh, delicious. The caramelized pork, hell to the yes. Vegan was delicious. I would like to try other vegan pies that they have there, especially with more veg. That's my verdict. But I'm definitely going back to that mince and cheese and that caramelized pork because that was so good. And then I'm gonna pack all these up and take them home and probably eat them for dinner as well. Have a great day. Hope you go eat some pies. If it's Friday, it's pie day. That one was so good.